Hands should be under your shoulders. Elbows should go back. Flat back from heel to your head should make a straight line. Hands out wide. Your arms are forming a 90-degree bend when you go down. Again, a flat back and be under control. Form a diamond with your hands. The diamond should land in the center of your chest. Elbows should go out. Butt in the air. Focus should be in the shoulder region. Fingers should be out to the sides, hands under your shoulders, and your elbows should go back. Hands outside shoulders, lean to one hand, then return to the middle, switch and repeat. Hands outside the shoulders, normal pace down, then explode up through extension, landing soft. Start with a ball inflated under your right hand, perform a push-up, roll it to the left, and repeat. Slow down and up. Count slowly to 6 down, then 6 back up. Hold in down position without lying on the ground, and remember to breathe. Feet should be elevated, straight line from heels to your head. Next up is Lecture 9.